50/50 crowdfunding has $29 every 6 months as an admin fee, so basically $58 for the year. Crowdfunding guaranteed is $29 a quarter. Okay, now they do give you a little bit of a credit on the very first one, which basically means it's only costing you $4, but all in all, it is still, you know, like $91 for the year. So 50/50 crowdfunding has less admin fees. Okay, second of all, with crowdfunding guaranteed, the company takes your money and then disperses it. With crowdfunding, 50/50 crowdfunding, the money goes peer-to-peer. So you are getting paid directly from the person that is donating to you. Okay? And that is a huge plus in this day of age, because there are so many companies that don't last, that shut down, etc. You don't want to have your money with the company when it shuts down. When you're doing peer-to-peer, the money goes to the people that you're donating to and to yourself when people are donating to you. So there's no worrying about the company running off with your money. All right. Third thing are the amount of donations. Okay, the amount of donation levels. With crowdfunding guaranteed, your top package is a $400 donation, where with 50/50, your top package is a $4,000 donation. And of course, with 50/50 crowdfunding, it has all of the lower levels as well. Now, as you can see, 50/50 crowdfunding stacks up the winner here in our comparison. However, I do want you to know that you can do very, very well with either or, okay? The main key point here is you need the right team, okay? And you need the right training, all right? You can make $100,000 this next year with either one of these companies. However, if you don't have the right training and the know-how, and of course team to help you, it makes it a lot harder, okay? So if you would like to join the team, now we actually based this training off of 50/50 crowdfunding. However, you can utilize this training with your crowdfunding guaranteed as well. So depending which one you want to go with, you will be able to use this training, and I do offer this training for free. So all you need to do is just click the link below in this description, all right, and we will get you set up into the funnel so that you can start receiving the free training, and then we will also show you how you can get registered and help you make $100,000 here in 2019. So click the link below in this description, and we will see you on the inside.